Another method for airway ventilation is with a pocket mask delivering oxygen. Most pocket masks have a delivery port for oxygen. If you remove the cap and apply the oxygen pipe and then apply the face mask to the patient over nose and mouth, securing the elasticated band around the patient's head. Now, every time we blow through the mask, we're not only blowing air, but we're also blowing pure oxygen from the cylinder itself. The head tilt chin lift manoeuvre needs to still be in place, but then a seal is made around the top of the mask, and every time you blow, air enters the patient carrying pure oxygen. The pocket mask is a more widely available airway management tool. They're found in most first aid kits, and a lot of people, first aiders, carry them with them in the car, in the glove box or in their first aid boxes. They are operated or can be operated with oxygen. However, this is not necessary. You can use it just as a shield between you and the patient. The pocket mask is a much more widely available airway management tool. Coupled to oxygen, it gives us a much higher flow of oxygen, but can be used without oxygen. They're often found in first aid kits. The pocket mask also forms a barrier between you and the patient. So when performing mouth to mouth, there is no chance or a lower chance of any contamination coming from you to the patient or the patient back to you. And finally, without oxygen connected to the face mask, we'll give about 16% oxygen. With oxygen connected to the mask, it will give up to 50%, massively improving the amount of oxygen we're getting into the patient's lungs.